are in the middle of our ocean animal series. And today we are going to draw an octopus. Octopus is so cool. They have 9 brains in total. 1 main brain in its head and 8 mini brains, 1 inside each of its 8 arms. Isn't that fascinating? Would you like to join me? Yeah, let's go. So let's start by making the head. We're going to make a very round line, almost like a circle, okay? Watch this. Okay, and now we are going to draw the tentacles. So we're going to make curvy lines, okay? So watch this. Alright, let's make another curvy line for the tentacles. Got it? Good job! Okay, let's make another one. And draw it back up. We are going to make 6 in total, so let's make another one. And the 4th one. The 5th one. And the last one. Alright, good job! So we're going to make a line and then add the suction cup, okay? Watch this. Alright, and now some curves, okay, as the suction cups. Got it? Good job! Let's do that to the second one. And down the suction cups. Good job! Let's continue doing that. The 4th one. Well done! Let's do the 5th one. And the last one. Well done, everyone! Let's now add the eyes. Let's make 2 circles. And I'm going to add 2 smaller circles as the highlights. color that is? Alright, looking good. Let's add the mouth now, okay? So, I would like to make the mouth open for this one, so we will be able to see the tongue, okay? So let's make another curve underneath it. Alright, let's add eyebrows. I think our octopus now looks amazing, and all that's left to do is just to color it. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, that octopus fits perfectly there in the middle. I love it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now, let's add more animals on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to join me. Okay, keep on smiling, keep on drawing. I hope to see you on the next one.